my friends, I'm very glad because you are subscribing and you are sharing my tips for your friends who also want to be a producer or want to improve their skills. Today I do have another tutorial here. I would like to share with you the ideas behind all these beats. And my friends from Zimbabwe, these types of beat is mostly made there. As you can see here, I would like for you to pay much attention to the way I will play, to the way I will show you. So without talking too much, because I know that you guys don't like for me to talk too much. So let us enter in the rhythms. After the rhythms, we will see how the melody sounds. So guys, as you see, I'm talking this way. I'm very glad because you're subscribing to my channel. So I have a lot of energy to show you to show you everything I have in my mind. So let us start with the drums. Okay, here are the drums. Let us hear how the drums sounds. We do have a kick, we do have a hi-hat and another hi-hat here. It's very simple for you to make also. And after I drew the drums, I had to draw another melody down here. I chose one of the plugin which is native. It's called the NNShite, and I chose one of the preset also to draw this melody here. Okay, this preset is called the finger bass. After this preset, I had to draw another melody here answering the first one which I drew here. Let us play both of them to hear how they are coordinating. Okay, after that I had to draw another melody here. Since you were supposed to play it as if you were a band, because this type of beat in Zimbabwe is mostly made with a lot of artists. They will hold their guitar on their hand and start playing. So for example, you are alone, you are supposed to play it as if you are a band. You will play the guitar alone, you will play the bass alone. You are playing with the computer, you don't have a guitar, you don't have everything that you don't have the drums, you don't have someone else to help you. So you are supposed to play as if you are a band. So let us hear how this melody also is coordinating with those ones which I played. I use the rhythm tele preset. I also as if you see here it is written, I'm only using NNShite. After that, I had to draw some other melodies here. It's a bass. So after the bass, I had to draw another melody down here. I'm playing it as if I were a band. I chose the straight to play this melody. It is very simple, as you can see. And after that, I had to play another melody here. Guys, pay attention to the way I'm playing it. It's for you also to follow me there, to follow me there at your house. After that, there's another melody here, down here. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. After that, there's a break. What is the break? The break is the part of the beat which tells the singer that the part which you are going is another part, the part which you are leaving is another part. For example, I drew the break here to enter in this part, and I drew another break here to show that the singer is entering in another part. So let us play to hear how the drums sound, this break sound. So very simple, and I always say for you, for example, if you are drawing your beat, you should consider the people that will be dancing, will be hearing. There are another people. They don't worry about hearing. They don't want that. So they only want to dance. They don't want to hear how the singer is singing about. So they only want to dance, drinking. So consider playing this part for them also, making this part also for them. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. I will be here to show you another tutorials that I am planning to do for you. This was not the remake. This was the inspiration of John Chibadura. So I had to make these types of beat to show you how to use the ideas behind all these instrumentals. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, my brother.